You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you through the PowerPoint presentation. So if you want to use the PowerPoint presentation, one, you must have the PowerPoint Hub, the Microsoft. So it may be on your desktop, or it may be, if you are commonly using it, will be on your taskbar. If it's not there, you may even use it on your Google online. Then you search for it. So if you want to open for beginners, you come and double click, and once you have double click, it will show you very many pre-made templates that you may use it to design your work such that you are able to track your audience. So in this case, we will use a blank sheet. So in this blank sheet, you'll just come, you see written add to the title. So you'll come here, then you write your title. Maybe you want to give maybe this was part of the speech. You just come here and write part of the speech. Then you come under title, who was giving part of this speech. So if it's Francis, you come and write Francis. Then we are done with that page. We move to the next page. Then you put here enter. You will come the subtitles here. So under subtitles, we are interested on maybe types of fruits. So the types of fruits. So under type of fruits, you now come and mention a few of them. Maybe we have the apples, we have mangoes as among the types of fruits. Mangoes, we have oranges. Yes, oranges. Then we have, let's add the last one is pineapples. Yeah, pineapples. So if you want to add the next page, you just come and tap here, then you press enter. It will give you here, maybe we can talk about the importance of this these fruits. Then under it here, we type the importance, that is provision of vitamin. We have vitamin, especially C. Then the next one is skin repair. Yeah, it contributes to skin repair. Then we put here skin repair. Okay, then the next thing that we can have here is maybe we have our conclusion. Let's have our conclusion. We don't want to go so far. So under conclusion, we'll put here, let's say drink a glass of juice daily. So we are done with our conclusion. Then if we are done with this, we now have to organize our work into what we want. So we'll come here under design, we come to the first page, then we come under design, we choose what we want to use. So that one will apply to all. So if you have made choice of what to use, you come to transition. How does it want to move from the next page to the other? You come and choose how you want it to be. Then we come to the slideshow. The slideshow shows us how you're supposed to set up your page. We'll come here, then we set up our page. We want it to loop up to the end, and we come and press OK. So if we have pressed OK, there are also other provision here. If you want to preview it, you can come and you preview it and you see whatever you want to, if there are other things that you feel like you should add. However, on the home tab, you can also come for this home tab and you do whatever you want to do on that area. So under slideshow here, this one is showing us now what you want to do. So this is a simple way to do your things. So if you're done with that, this becomes one of the simplest ways of applying PowerPoint in our presentation. So you can use this, embrace it, and make it be part of you. At least here now you have everything that you need. So if you're during your presentation, you just come and press whatever you want to press, and it will be able to show you. Like this is the speech. So you can press enter. You can use the page down arrow. If you want to go back, you use the other one. So it's a very good way to go.